Hello, guys. Just a side note. When you call me, the first thing I want you to say to me, say, I need a life insurance policy for $50. Boom. That takes all the guesswork, all the stress out of the conversation. Because the first thing that I hear from my clients is how much, how much, how much, how much. You tell me how much. I don't tell you how much. This is not like buying an insurance on a car. Car insurance is set. If you're 30 years old and you have a Mercedes-Benz 2025, you pay $100. Okay? It's just set price. But with life insurance, it's different. You call me and say, I'm going to spend 50 cents on a life policy. So I'll look around and find you a 50 cents policy and give it to you. So you decide the price. Okay, so let's take that out of the conversation completely because I don't decide, you decide. Okay? Another thing too, I was talking about how as Americans, all we do is just work to pay bills, but we never get to build assets. Imagine taking that $50, for example. I could be using that $50 because it's a small amount. We eat pizza and drink coffee more than $50 every month. I know that. I'm guilty of it myself. So imagine taking that $50 instead of putting it in a bank or wasting it on whatever it is that we waste it on. How about getting a life insurance policy with it that will cover you for $1 million, for example? You know, in the event of accident or sickness, that $50 will turn into $1 million and you collect it tax-free. There's nothing on earth that's tax-free. Everything's taxed. Even your paycheck, when you work your 4 weeks, the taxes are taken out before you even see them. That's why you work the first 3 weeks, you get to keep all that, and the fourth week kind of vanishes in the air. That's taxes. So, and a great thing about it too, if you do get a policy today, say March 1st, and say April or May, you happen to get sick or get into an accident, you're only paid $50 into the policy. Now, in the event that you can't work because of sickness or accident, you have $1 million waiting for you, tax-free. That's like a winning lottery ticket that you're going to cash. You're guaranteed to cash. Yeah? So you don't have to wait a year or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 before you see the money because nobody can predict what tomorrow is going to bring. I remember when I was in high school as a little kid, I had friends that died in high school. I had friends that died in their 20s, in their 30s, in their 40s. Nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow. You don't even have to die. You can get sick. And that money is available for you. Call me. The number is on the screen. Best of luck, guys.